Alright guys, welcome back with me early this morning. I tell you what, I got a lot of good stuff going on today. I tell you, I carry more stuff with me during the day. I don't know what to do. Let me see if I can get this. Started doing some yard work the other day and cutting those trees, goodness gracious, I tell you. But yeah, I got more stuff going on today. Hopefully, well not hopefully, I'm gonna get a lot of good material today guys. But right there's some I got a motor right there. I mean, this is like a side street here and you can see the road there, but this is like a side street that and it's like my garage is on, and I actually got a motor there come out of my 47 Chevy pickup truck, and this one here coming out of that 53. This is underneath for pallet and stuff, and I got it wrapped up, you know what I mean? Because both of them do start and stuff, so. But, woo, she started running, woo! Did y'all hear that? Whoa, goodness gracious. Oh, boy. See here. Don't hurt him now. Come on, Fireball. Don't hurt him now. I tell you. Boy, she ate. 1947 truck. I bet you half of your cars don't even do that. 1947 truck. As soon as I get in there in the morning, I turn the key and she comes right on like she's a new vehicle, even though she's new to me. I'm already at it early this morning. I'm out here. We're about to get some good content, guys. I'm excited for the day. And I'll turn you guys back on later on once I get to where I'm going. Hopefully, I was supposed to be going over to my guy for my upholstery. Finally getting some work done to that Windlace. And I'm going over there really to help him out with some other projects. But, you know, and my thing is I want to learn. So that's why I'm up early and trying to see how he would do that Windlace, especially after he wrap it. And so that's what I'm doing, and I'm gonna see how he does it. And then next time when I do my another project or another truck, that I would know how to do it. And you know, we did some swapping and some work for each other, so it's not costing me nothing but time. So I just want to take you guys along for the ride and stuff, because I know that stuff is interesting to y'all guys. So I think this is gonna be a good video today. And then maybe. All right, crew, we're over here at Junior's K&K Upholstery, and we're gonna watch some video and stuff and film some video. That's the best number right there. You guys ever in Bristol? That's where you want to go here. We're at K&K Auto Interiors. My buddy JR, he's going to show me a little tricks of the trade to get that up in there. So let's go over here and see what he's doing, see what he's working with. I'm going to get on this side. I'm going to get on this side and just show you guys a little bit what we're doing here. We're putting up this Windlace and stuff, and actually I cut it, as you can see, I cut it too short. I mean, you know, but I try to take my time and do it the best I can, and when I mess it up, I bring it over here to him, and he always take care of it for me. And he actually did my seats in here. He's the one who did my seats. And that's his, is that number correct on your back of your shirt, Junior? Yeah. So that's if you guys are ever in Bristol, Virginia, or Tennessee, K&K Auto Interiors, 423-366-6125.
I took all that out and put cardboard in here so I have something to staple.
Oh yeah, exactly. Yeah, I see that.
You know, I'll make that Windlace go up underneath there and I'll staple it around through here.
That's smart.
Then take hit them and put it around through there. That hides all your staples.
Yep. Oh, you say you do what now?
Hit them.
I don't know what that is.
Stuff right here. Once you get your
Oh, okay.
windlace up in there,
Uh-huh.
then you take that, put it around through there. You open it up, shoot your staples inside.
Oh, okay, yeah, I got
Then
you.
when it folds back down, you don't hides all your staples.
Well, that's why I like coming over here anyway, because I mean, I'll learn something too. That's why I'm all about learning stuff. And
Put it on Craigslist for $18.5. It's 14 bottles.
you should get it, but 30? Alright guys, so that's what we're doing. We're trying to get this all this glue from underneath here so I can put my wheel in. Cut you guys back on when we get a little bit more done. I missed the last one. You did the
So
last
that's,
one fast when you wrapped it.
That's why, everything's exported.
Yeah.
I guarantee you, I'd put money on it that
That's it. That's a wrap piece there. She's wrapped. That piece there to fit. I should be able to fit up in here. It fit right up on that in that channel. Right there. All around there. Fit there. Or hide it. Hide the staples. You got and that's the other side there. That's the finish. You already wrapped it. That's the finished product there to go on there. Pretty cool. It sits up in that corner right there, see?
have something to staple to.
Yep. Cool.
That way you don't see it raw edge. Well, it's going so far this year, it ain't gonna be too damn much.
It'll catch up. Nope. It'll catch back.
Big.
It's gonna look a lot better, man, I tell you. A lot better. That thing ignores the crap out of it. And all the way down to there. Yeah, that's gonna look really good, man. I like that. I was trying to think of every kind of way to put that daggone thing in there, man. And I couldn't. I mean, I watched all kinds of videos, and some things people just don't put on the internet and stuff. And you just gotta try to use brain power, man. But if you ain't used to doing stuff, I mean, you probably, even though you've done it a long time, there's different ways of doing different vehicles,
I mean, a lot of times 2 heads is better than 1.
Yeah, that's what they say. Good thing you ain't a big guy like me, boy. You should see me in there putting those panels up. And I did that by myself. I mean, I was sweating, boy, I tell you. And I had my cherry picker. I made sure that thing wasn't gonna fall on me, man. I hate getting underneath vehicles.
Yeah. I get a little.
Now I do know what those are. Those are called relief cuts. Made little relief cuts up in there, go around that curve.
something there. Staple it.
Yeah, that's people across the street. Window thing, I forget what that's called. Those things are hard to find in these. All right, guys, so we actually got a little trim piece up there. I'm zoom in on it, that place where I messed up at. And then we'll put another stripper in there so how the staples and everything, you won't even see it. So this is gonna turn out really well. I'm happy.
People are, I tell you,
I don't
they're
understand.
crazy.
What is that piece right there called? That's pretty neat how you can hide this. Huh?
Hit them.
Hit. Oh, yeah, because you actually hiding the staples?
Yeah, hide them.
Yeah.
Hide them.
Hide them, hit them. That's good. I mean, you may not have to put that little piece up in there because it's not as.
We'll see once we get around there. Depends on.
Shoot, right there in the center, and it hides that staple. That's pretty neat. All right, guys, we finished. Junior finished me up. I just have to put my kick panels back in here, and that's so much better than what I had. That piece of crap. I tell you what I had in there. I'm learning, man. So hey, it's about making mistakes and fixing. As long as you can fix it, you know. So he did me a square. I appreciate it. I appreciate it, man. I really do appreciate it. All right, guys. So I just want to end this video. He did an awesome job. I appreciate you guys, you know, hanging out with me today. Actually 2 days and stuff. It just took us 2 days to do it because we actually had to go and run some errands and we couldn't finish it the first day. But I think he did a good job. You guys write some comments down below. Tell me what you guys think about this job here. And basically, you know, I started it, I messed it up, and I couldn't live with it. And he actually took care of me and fixed it. So you guys make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this video. And like I always tell people, if you got a fast truck and a good cigar, smoke them if you got it.